Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, May the 6th. This is David Starr, and this evening I will be walking through the S&P 500 with you when we are in markets that are in a downtrend, and that still looks like where we are. It is going to be easiest to be looking at the indices, and while we did get a little bit of a bounce today, right from this Voodoo fireline, that is the most important of the Voodoo line levels. And so, we held up there Monday, despite a little poke below, a little poke here this morning, and a visit right to it this afternoon. All sent us back up, but today's bounce was a little more muted than what we saw from Monday's low, and I think that we will eventually get back below. Now, these lines are based on a combination of Fibonacci, Elliott wave, and some special Voodoo math, and they are useful for developing a roadmap for where we expect to see the market to go. And while we can't always know exactly how things are going to unfold, they can tell us where the important decision points are. And certainly this most important of the levels, this 4083 fireline, a clean break of it, meaning that something that gets below and then accelerates, not popping right back above, or gets below and tests and holds resistance below, turning back down. I think those would tell us to look out below, likely with at least several hundred points more to the downside. However, today's bounce could go a little bit further first. And so that's where we want to look to the 4185, 4186 level. Maybe just slightly above, but if we bounce into that area just below or just above and give it up, that's where I would like to see us turn back down. Otherwise, if we do find support here, it likely sends us potentially all the way up to 4352 for a test there, and the same sort of assessment. Again, I think we're turning down from that level if we head up there, but we need to watch and see it maintain resistance at or below there in order to keep a bearish view intact. Otherwise, longer term support above that level will call off at least temporarily that larger bearish view. So that's what I have here for you this evening. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me